So manual correlation we are completed successfully. Like what is the manual correlation? So what is the manual
Like
correlation process?
finding the dynamic value. After
Okay.
finding dynamic value, we have to find the left and right bond of dynamic value.
Okay.
And after finding dynamic value, we have to substitute way to write the function. We
Okay.
have to write the function like web underscore reg underscore save underscore param
Okay.
and parameter name, left boundary, right boundary, and last. After that, we have to substitute the parameter name and we have to run the program.
Okay. Okay. So what are the function we are using?
Web underscore reg underscore save underscore param. In open brackets and the parameter name, left boundary, right boundary, comma last.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And also, can I have one small doubt?
Yes.
What is the use of this argument real frame ID?
Well, frame ID actually, for example, yesterday I shown right. If it is response content body means you are selecting for
Okay,
the body. If it is
body.
response content header means you are selecting for the header. Same to
Okay,
sometimes the response content in the frame also.
okay.
So in that situation, you need to give for the that frame ID. Then it is capture the response.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then got it.
Okay. So auto correlation nothing but automatically we need to handle the auto correlation. How to we can do means first to point find the dynamic value in our script. So where is the dynamic value? For example, already okay, this is the dynamic value. Outbound flight is the one of the
Yeah.
dynamic value because already I done for the remaining right. So this is
Yeah.
the I'm not done. So what we can do means you can select for the dynamic value, click on right button, and here correlate selection will be there. Select for the correlate selection. Okay, what happened? There are no correlation on this point. Which script we are done? This is right. This is a section, and we did outbound flight also. Already we done here, and we can do the remaining one. Departure seat area also completed. Seat type or seat preferences will see. Okay, select this and click on right button. Correlate selection. Click for the correlate selection. Then it is a window will open. So you can observe seat preferences window. So click on details. Here type is there. Type nothing but you want for the boundary based. Boundary based means LBRB based. We have the some other also will be there. Regular expression. Regular expression means if you have in LBRB in special characters, then we can use for the regular expression. But we have the right now is we have boundaries, right? So you need to select for the boundary based. Here, once you can select here, automatically the boundaries is picked. No need to select anything manually. And no need to give for the black cells also.
What are the other types given in boundary based is for this?
Yeah, boundary based we have and regular expression based we have two ways. Okay. So boundary based we need to select. You can observe this is the dynamic value. Dynamic value left text is picked as a left boundary. Right boundary means this automatically it is handling. So once you are done this right, so you need to click for the correlate button. Then your correlation will be done automatically. Where to write the function and what is the function it generated, everything is done. Okay, if you click correlate button, but here one thing challenge, like when you are doing for the auto correlation, you need to check for the here. This is the boundaries picked. So this boundary is correct or not, you can check here. Because here is highlighting for the dynamic value. In the dynamic value, left boundary, right boundary need take. Okay, is those are correct or not, you need to check. Maybe if it is wrong, then you can edit also, we can do it, and you can click on apply, then it is
Okay.
change. Okay.
Okay.
So after that, if you done this, just click for the correlate button. See, correlation window is correlation seat preferences done. So now go to the script and you can observe where it is written function, you can observe. So this is the correlation comment, you can observe, do not change original value. So this is the seed preference type manual, and function is generated. You can observe web break separum ex. Web
It
break separum.
automatically save
Yes.
where to have to save the function.
Yes. Yeah. Automatically it will save for the particular where you want to write exactly function also automatically it will handle. Okay. So what is the function is generated? Web break separum ex. And here we can observe parameter name is equal seed preference we are giving. But in web break separum, we are directly giving for the parameter name.
Yeah.
But here you need to mention like this: parameter name is equal seed preference, parameter name is equal user section. So that it will come from here. LB same, RB it's same, ordinal. So it's by default it is ordinal. You pick for the 2 because what is the value you are selecting? Seat preferences, the Windows will be second option. So that is why you got for the 2.
Okay.
If you want all means you can give for the ordinal all. Then all 3 options also it is displayed in output.
Okay.
And we have the scope is equal to body will be there. So in WebRec separum, we are written for the search is equal to body, right? Yesterday
Yes.
we spoke. But in WebRec separum EX, scope is equal to body or header, we need to write. Okay, ignore redirection. That is also if you have like ignore redirection.
This function is for automatic web underscore rec underscore scale param. EX is for automatic.
Yes, automatic correlation and manual
And
also.
this all function
you can
also
do
will generated.
Yeah, manual also
This
you can
all
write this also. But
okay.
when you are writing for the like WebRec separum, you need to write for that is the syntax. If you want to write for the manually, you need to write for the like this. Parameter name LB, RB. If you have ordinal, you can mention scope and ignore redirection and last. That's fine. Okay. So like this you can do for the auto correlation, but in some of the companies never accept for the auto correlation.
Okay.
So that is why maximum 99% company using only manual correlation only. Because if you do for the manual correlation, you can do for the concentrate way and you will need to give for the proper boundaries. But what will happen is when you are doing for the auto correlation, if you not see for the like it is a picking proper boundary or not, you are not seen, just click on correlate button, it will correlation will be done. Maybe this release your script will work, maybe next release your script will be not work. So this kind of issues will be there. So that is why maximum companies never accept for the auto correlation, but few companies it will accepting from the auto correlation also. But one thing is carefully we need to do when you are doing for the correlation. What we need to do means you need to check for the like proper boundaries are picked or not. Automatic speaking, right? No need to select your anything. Automatically speaking, but you need to check for the correct.
Cross check once.
Yes, you need to cross check for the LB, RB. It is correct or not. If not, then you can just edit it and apply and click for the correlate button. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. So same way you can do for the seed type, seed preference also we can do. But before doing that, so that is the auto correlation. Manual also, if you want to write this function, means you can write also. So for example, seed preference, right? Or like window, right? We can check for the in output window, code generation, control home, and window, right?
Yeah.
Window is our dynamic element. So this is not ours because we have the Windows some NT, these credentials will be there. So we need to check for the proper one. If you click on for more, then you are able to see for the like Hours means it is coming from the some seat preference is equal to window. It
Yeah.
will come like this. Then we need to confirm as a that is our dynamic value.
Dynamic value. Yeah. Next.
So not only this, any value if you are searching means see now you can
Yeah,
observe.
this is seat preferences we got.
Yes, seat preference is equal to this. So what you can do means you can copy this value up to this, okay, and keep it in Notepad. Means manual also we can write for the function. So that is I am showing. So just same function web break say param, and
Okay.
you know right. This is also same snapshot. How much will be there? T2,
Four.
T4.
T-
We need to write for the
T4.
T1.
About T3.
T3 above. So means we
yeah.
need to write here only. So any function you want to write for means if you want to write also you can write web underscore reg underscore save underscore ex. Otherwise we have the some options also will be there. Go to the view. Here we have the step toolbox will be there.
Okay.
Click on this. Okay. And which function you want you can type here. Like I want for the web underscore reg underscore save underscore
Automatic
ex.
it's done. Yeah.
Ex. You can click on this. Okay. And it is asking for the parameter name. So what is that? Seat preference. So you can give it as a seat preference. I think seat type is good, right? We can do that is good because
Yeah.
already seat. Okay. We'll do one thing. Okay. I think in below only it will be there. Seat type also. Seat preferences. Yeah, seat type. Okay.
Businessman. Yeah.
Yeah. So now just I copy this again and keep it in Notepad. Now we are doing for the seat preferences. So I will give it as a
Seat type.
type, seat type. Sorry. Seat type is a parameter name I'm giving. So go to the views and step toolbox. Okay. And what function you want, you can write here. Just web underscore rec. You are able to see for the ex means you can ex. X param also we have. You can observe. This is the param also we have.
Okay.
Oh yeah. So exactly same to we need to where we need to write. You can mention cursor there only. It will automatically write. So
About T3. Okay, I think it's in T4.
yeah, we need to write from the
T7. T6 it is seat preferences above.
yeah. So we
so
need to write for
T6
the
means T5 above.
yeah. So we need to write from the here. Okay. So now you can click this and give it as a seat type, right?
Type. Yeah.
Seat type underscore COR means just we are given parameter name and left boundary. You can go here or already same process. How we are done for right? You can select this and control V and no need to give for the black slash here. Automatically it will handle because this is also kind of auto only and you can give for the double colon and control V and SM2 you can observe here. You have the ordinals also will be there. If you want means you can give the ordinal. Save offset also we have. If you want save offset, you can give. Save length also we have. Okay, so this all also will be there. Depends on the your requirement. You can give these all things, and so after that, just you can click for the any other thing. Okay, think this is fine. Okay, so just click OK. Then automatically function is rated. See, web break say
Okay.
parameter name is equal to LB RB set filter last.
Without writing manually, we can also write
Yes,
from this.
to overcome the
Okay.
manual effort, we can write for that. This is the way also you can do it.
Okay.
Okay, so auto correlation we did right. Same how we are did for the auto correlation also. Same we can do for the manual correlation also. To overcome the manual effort, we need to go to the step toolbox, and if you write this and just enter for the like parameter name and LB RB. If you want save offset or ordinal, if you want means you can mention. Otherwise, no need.
Okay.
Okay. So we have
Yeah.
the regular expression also will be there. You can observe web break separum reg exp.
Okay.
So that is also how to we can write means you can open this, just you can click for the web break separum. Here parameter name. So see type underscore COR. Okay, regular expression. Regular expression means how to we can write regular expression means we'll go to the notepad. So this is the you are right. So how to we can write means reg exp is equal to means regular expression is equal. So what is the dynamic
Then
value will be? Yeah.
once, so what are the examples of regular expressions in our business flow? Like
Yeah,
seat
yeah,
type, seat
reg
preferences.
exp actual when we can use means. So maybe in your dynamic value left boundary or right boundary is content for the some regular expressions like
Yeah.
percentage,
Uh,
ampersand, and not symbol, at the rate symbol, dollar symbol. This kind of things will be there. So those will be what will happen is if you handle for the like left boundary, right boundary, that could be somewhat it will be difficult.
okay.
So to overcome that, we are using for the regular expression is the one of the function.
Okay.
So same to we need to how to we can write means you need to give for the left boundary. Regular expression is equal left boundary, and after that, so this is the what
Dynamic value.
dynamic value. Dynamic value place we need to write give for the dot star question mark. So what indicate for the dot star question mark means in this dynamic value place any symbol, any character, any special character, any numeric value will be there. Automatically, if it is a length is how many like 10 or 20 or how many it is length also no problem. It automatically will pick.
Okay.
And after that you need to give for the RB. Sometimes what will happen means sometimes you don't have RB also. So at that time you can use for the regular expression because if you don't have RB also, it will handle for this regular expression. But our boundary based it will not handle. We need for the RB.
Yeah.
So
We
in
don't need
that
to mention
situation,
LB equal to RB equal to here in
yes,
regular expression.
yeah. So means sometimes if you want to write for the in this place business is there. So how to we can write means one more way also we can write. For example, business. B is a capital, right? We need to write for the like this. A to capital A to Z. Okay. A to Z. And after that, what is that? Small letters. Same,
Yeah.
you need to write for the again small A to Z.
Small bit.
And again, if you want for the numeric 0 to 9.
Yeah. 9.
Okay. So
A
you
special
need to,
character
yeah, if
use.
you want means you can like this, you can mention. So in this place, any value it will come, automatically it will pick for the your boundary as a dynamic value, it will pick. So that is the main aim of the our regular expression. So now I am not giving this. Okay, just will be for the dash because we don't have special character. Right? No need to mention that all things.
Okay.
dash star question mark is fine. And after that, you have the China, okay, double colon, and you can save this, okay, and go to the script, and here regular action base you can give that, okay, and here if you want mention group or ordinal, you can, if you want means you can mention, otherwise no need to mention anything, just click on the okay, then it is that functionality, it is automatically generated. You can observe web break separum reg exp parameter name. Here you can observe, here is a different, not LBRB is not including. This is the regex exp, nothing but regular expression is equal LB and RB.
Okay.
So we are not giving for the like backslash also, it is automatically speaking.
Okay. In above scenario also pick it automatically.
Yes, yeah. If you
Yeah.
are doing for the like using for the step toolbars, no need to give for you. Automatically it will handle that. Okay. You can pick the dynamic value, left bound, right bound, you can directly copy. No need to do for the that.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the auto correlation process, and manual also, to overcome the manual also we can do. This is the way. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So we have one more auto correlation we have. Sometimes what will happen is your script will be there. So every time will be same values is coming, like user section and departure date, arrive date, and this value will be, if you are doing for the every release, like every 2 months, we need to do for the testing same application.
Yeah.
So this same application, same values is coming. So if it is same dynamic value is coming, every time record, every time do for the correlation, that is a very manual effort. Is right?
Time taking process. Yeah.
Yes. So is this kind of things it is happen, we can do for the our one more way, auto correlation. So how to we can do means, you can go to the like okay, in the recording options. Runtime settings. Hey, that okay. So we'll open the runtime settings. I'm closing this. In the runtime settings, we have the rules will be there, not runtime settings, sir, recording options. Recording options. So we have the rules will be there.
Yeah.
So here we need to create for the rule. So how to we can create means, you can create for the new application. Application name will be some web tour underscore flight booking. So flight booking. In this application, you need to create for the new rule. Click on new rule. Which rule you are creating? For example, seat type. Seat.
Yeah. For which values are
yes,
repeating?
it's repeating. You need to give for that seat type, and after that here you need to select for the like it is a where it is your like response. It is a body, it is in cookies handle or in header. So you need to select for there. So our response contain in the body in the text.
Yeah.
So you can select. And here scan type, you have the different type will be there. Boundary based will be there. Regular expression will be there. XPath, JSON query will be there. So which font you can select. I want for the boundary based only. I can select it for the boundary based. So here you need to give for the left boundary and right boundary.
Okay.
So you can go to the Here you can copy this control P and RB also can copy.
No need slashes also.
Yeah, no need also. Okay. Okay. Then after that, so this is you have the advanced will be there. If you click on advanced, if you want offset, you can enable length also. So depends on your requirement, you can select for this. So if you don't want anything, just close this and only you can give for these things and you need to create it, right? Once you can create it, you can go to the down and you can click on OK. Here OK button is there.
Yeah.
So now is the rule is created. Okay. This rule we can do for the like you are created. This rule you want to send from the session because already you done for the all values. Again, you no need to do. So just you can we have the import will be there, export will be there. Import nothing but you are importing from the here to you are sending from the session. Export
Well,
means
before recording.
Yes, before recording.
Okay, okay.
So then you need to apply here in runtime settings. Go to the rules and runtime setting, not recording options. Come to the rules and you can select here and you can click on import means you can import. So means import means we are importing. Already you have rule, then you can import. If you don't have any rule, it will not display here. And you can observe here, our rule will be correlation extension .corr. Okay. It is saving as a .corr. Anyone asks for the what is the extension, the correlation function means .cor.
.cor.
What is the parameterization extension file?
.dat.
Yes.
.dat.
So now we'll do for the export. You can click on export and click for the export button, and where you want to save it is asking. You can give it as a C type.
Where we have to save in our Vusion scripts.
Yeah, Vusion scripts you can select. So because what will happen, like this script, if you send to the someone also, it will be there in your script. So that is what is our script name? Web tour flight booking 2402.
Yeah,
yes, yeah. This right. So open this, yeah. And you can save this here. Just sit it. Okay. So already it is saved. See, C type .cor. So this file you can send to your team members. Anyone who you want, you can send that. So
by export.
Yeah, you already use copied, right? You already saved, right, in your script. That script you can zip it or you can send to the mail or in Teams or which communication you want, you can do that way.
Okay.
Then what will happen? Again, no need to do for the correlation as a Shashi, and he will when recording, right? Then he will just import that file, and after that, when you import it, right, you need to check this. Then only it is applicable.
Okay, we have to check.
Then
before recording, we have to check.
Yes, you need to check this, and you can do for the recording. And after recording is completed, automatically your correlation will be done.
You no need to do again.
No need to again anything. Automatically, all correlation values will be finished. Okay. How many rules you are created based on that? You want for the next new value, new means you can create one more new.
New
like and give it as a
seat preferences.
Seat preferences. Seat preference. And next, if you want for the one more means you can click on one more and give it as a user section. So means you need to create that one. Enter this all files you can send to your tech colleagues also. Okay. So you are a new to team, okay? But in our team already previous employee already he developed this script and he already created for this rule. Okay. Then we can use it and we can do for the scripting very simply. Okay. So